Good afternoon. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter of a 2018 Buick Regal TourX. You remove this this little thing here. You just pull that out. And I already dropped the glove box down because it's too hard to show you how, but you press up on each side of the tabs underneath, and it's good to have somebody else to pull it down. And once you're under here, that's where the cabin filter is. You just pull these little things to the side, and that comes down, and you pull out the old cabin filter. And the direction is down. You put the new cabin filter in, the arrow goes down, you put the new one in, goes right in, then you close the door. It closes automatically and the tabs go back on. And you push, you put the tab on the side here, and you press it back in. And that's